DNA of brand Pulsar is always about, challenging the status quo, challenging the authorities. A Pulsar rider is never going to, listen to or take instructions from anyone who tells him what to do. And that is what we are trying to show in this campaign.
So the Pulsar world over is known for its street fighter capability. It's a very fast machine, and what better place than to level up with the NS400 and the racetrack. And today at Sepang, I think it's a perfect showcase for the bike.
We spend probably 10 hours on the track, shot with different techniques, shot with FPV drone, Russian arm, and rigs. We got them all, and it was lovely. It was great.
The experience for me riding the Pulsar is really great. It's like once in a lifetime. I could go in the corner faster, and also the bike is super nimble and agile.
It's been spectacular. It's been great to be on the Sepang F1 circuit, and we've got some great shots, exciting moments. Really looking forward to this.
If I have to sum it up in one word, this journey has been definitely daring. It was not just about, bringing alive the idea, but it was also about making it larger than life.